Are you ready to connect with more friends on Discord? With the recent update, it's easier than ever to let server members send you friend requests directly from your server. Let's dive into how you can make that happen on your PC. First, open your Discord application. If you don't have it open yet, click on the Discord icon on your desktop or in your taskbar to launch the app. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Right next to it, there's a gear icon. This icon represents user settings. Go ahead and click on that to enter the settings menu. Now, in the user settings sidebar, scroll down until you find the friend requests option. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a new screen where you can manage your friend request settings. This is where the magic begins. Finally, look for the option labeled Server Members. You'll want to enable this feature to allow members from the servers you belong to send you friend requests. Just toggle the switch to the right, and you're all set, and there you have it. Now you can easily connect with fellow server members without any hassle. Whenever someone from your server sends you a friend request, you'll be sure to see it in your notifications. So take these simple steps and enjoy building your community on Discord. Don't forget to explore other settings to customize your experience even further. Happy connecting!